let's do add some of the information on the file. Let's do that. Okay. Type A diabetes, we are going to type all of this. So Linux provide many editors, and one of the default is Nano with the Ubuntu. So we are going to do the Nano type A basically. Oh, you can type. Okay. So there is many way you can add information on the file. One is cat, and what is this sign called? More than, right? Or
Yeah,
greater than.
greater than. Greater than.
Greater than and the file name. And you can type the information. You can type now. You can type basically information. Go ahead. You can copy and paste from the chat GPT what the type A diabetes means. Go ahead. You can go to the. So you don't need to type all of this. Diabetes type A. Yes. Whatever. What is type A diabetic? Yes. Okay. Hit enter. And then just copy paste some of the information and put it there. Yeah. Good. Good.
Copy this. Okay.
And you can control V. Yeah. Yep.
Then to save it, we have to use the control plus D. Then it will save it.
Control plus D. I couldn't remember. So thank you. So this file is ready. Now you can see. Again, the cat, greater sign, file name. So see this? Now the cat, only the file name. So you see all the information. That's the one way. So now we can do the same thing on the cat B. Cat type B. Let's do that. Cat, greater sign, type B. So we are going to add. Go back to the chat GPT and just put the new information now. Type B diabetes. Yep. Good. So now we can go back again and we can control V and control D to save it. Good. So that's again the cat and file name. So you can see the view of the file. Good. Now the another way, let's check another way. Do you have a Nano already by chance?
Uh, we can use the Vim. We actually use the Vim.
Too advanced for them. I'm covering the Nano at the same time. Beam is advanced for these people, but it's important. Okay. So now let's use the default editor. Okay, it's called the Nano. Nano, and the space file name. Nano? No. O.
Nano.
Space file name.
Sorry. Type A.
Yes. So it is exactly like the notepad. You see that? So here you can see the control X means the exit. Control R means you're reading. Like those command in the bottom, these are the command basically. That's the it is. And Nano 7.0, 7.2 version. This again the notepad type of. So we can bring more information. We can copy and paste and you can save it. Undo, redo, we can do everything with the Nano. So do something here quickly.
Okay, so
Hit enter.
okay.
Hit enter. Yep. And then you can just do the and then you can type. This is the editor. You can add, edit, delete, anything you can do. Okay. And then you can save, Control X. And then Y means yes, you have to press Y from your keyboard. No means no. Control X. File name, yes. Control X. Did you do this?
Yeah, Control X. I'm typing the Control X.
It came before.
Yeah. After that, I put yes.
Okay. So now you're done.
Yes.
Audio exit. Yep. Control X.
Yes. Control X. Then I.
Yes. Y.
Yes.
Okay.
Y.
Are you not able to exit now?
No, I think I don't have to exit
No, you
right
are
now.
doing something wrong.
See, I'm typing the Control X.
X,
Then I'm
Y,
hitting Y
Y, enter.
and enter. Okay. Oh.
Oh, you have to hit enter. Okay. So now that's how you use the Nano editor to type the information. Again, basically editor. Just copy, paste, and you can the edit, remove something, Control X, Y, enter, Control X. No means you are not going to save, enter, you're done. That's how you actually exactly use the editor. This is good. Once you learn this one, Beam is used by the all the DevOps engineer and the developer. That's kind of the good one. So we'll go over that as well. Thank you.